This is the Ignik Tap Rack. It's a 4-pound refillable propane system that's meant to replace those pesky little green disposable bottles. This, in my opinion, is the best propane system for camping. However, it has a major flaw that you should know about before buying. So to explain what this is, think of those little green 1-pound propane bottles such as the Coleman that you can find at REI, Canada Sports and Outdoors, or any other sports and outdoors store. Now those are disposable, so when you're done using them, you just throw them away. That's extremely bad for the environment. And also they're really expensive as well. So what Ignik basically did is they created a 1-pound refillable propane tank, and they also created a mounted system that can connect 4 of these tanks into one single unit. Now, you can only use Ignik bottles with the Ignik frame. You cannot, let's say, use a Coleman bottles with this frame. So this only works with the Ignik system. So the Tap Rack refilling frame has a Type 1 QCC1 port. It is the same port that your bigger propane tank, such as 20-pound propane tank, would have. And what's great about this port is you can get an adapter hose like this that goes into the Type 1 QCC1 port, and the other end can go into your Coleman camping stove. Now, this hose you do have to buy separately. It does not come with this system. So I actually don't like to use this port that much, and the only time I would use it is right after refilling, because right after you get it refilled, the bottles is usually very tight and it's extremely hard to take off. So what I like to do is use this port until it is a lot easier to take these bottles off of the frame. So I like to use the Tap Rack like this instead of putting it on the refilling frame. And the reason for that is I think it's way more compact, way more portable, and most importantly, it allows me to know how much propane I'm using and how much I have left. If you notice, I have 5 bottles. And actually, when you buy this as a package, it comes with 4 bottles. And I bought this as an extra. And the reason for that is, let's say after I have used 4 bottles, I have 1 left. And so I can still keep on cooking, but then I'm able to take these 4 bottles and go get it refilled. Now, I'm not sure if you noticed, but my unit looks slightly different than it is on the website. If you look at the picture online, it actually came with these bars that elevate the bottle so that the bottles doesn't touch the ground. I think the main reason why you want to buy this is portability. When you disconnect the bottles, it is way easier to transport in your car. Now, the #1 rule about propane is that you never, ever, ever transport it inside your car. When can you do it? Never, ever, ever. But I'm able to do that because special people like me and Bob Wells have that ability, but you can't. What has prevented me from buying the bigger propane bottles is that I didn't want to transport it inside my car. And if you don't want to transport it inside your car, then you need to worry about how to mount it outside your car. With the Tap Rack, I don't have to worry about any of that. With the bottles separated, I can pull out the bottles in places that I wouldn't have been able to put other propane bottles. Okay, so now your bottle is secure. You still need to carry around the refilling frame so that you can refill the bottles. If I wouldn't have taken the frame off, it would have taken way more space. But since I took it off, it's way more compact for travel, especially since space is a limited resource. You see how like this would make it a lot bigger. So now that I take this off, it becomes a lot more compact. Now onto some of the cons. Sometimes it is pretty hard to take on and off. There are times where I have to turn it upside down to push the bottle back into the refilling frame. So I completely forgot to say this, but whenever you put it back on the frame and you flip upside down to make it easier, just remember to make sure the bottles is completely empty. If not, you might have a bunch of propane shooting out of the bottle. Another con that I have is when you go get this refill, you usually want to refill this at around 0.9 pounds, but the person refilling tends to overfill it at 1.1 pound instead. And that's all the cons I have for this product. I actually love using this product. However, it has a major flaw that has nothing to do with the physical product itself, but the propane refilling industry. The major flaw that might make this product a no-buy for you is that there's going to be a huge chance that you might not be able to refill this. The first 2 times I refilled, which was at U-Haul and Harbor Freight, I had no issues at all. However, 2 days ago, I brought it first to a Harbor Freight, then a U-Haul, and I was denied both times. Since this is my only source of propane at the moment, I tried going to a smaller propane refill place, and with a lot of begging, I was able to convince them to refill it for us. So if you really want to buy this product, just know that there'll be a lot of times that you'll be rejected when trying to refill this. At the moment, we don't know what we'll actually do with this product, if we'll keep it or return it. I'd like to know though, what is your propane setup for camping?